What if I told you that some of today's most advanced defense technologies work without bullets or gunpowder? And what if air pressure, CO2 systems, and smart engineering could generate power that feels straight out of futuristic lab? Today, we're looking at pressure-powered systems used by trained adults in controlled environments. Stay until the end. All the links are in the description. Let's begin. Number 1. Byrna SD Kinetic Launcher, non-lethal engineering platform. This system shows how far CO2-powered devices have evolved. It uses compressed gas to launch impact projectiles without combustion, relying on controlled pressure release. The platform is used in adult self-defense training scenarios and demonstrations. Its modular construction allows components to be adjusted or replaced. The propulsion design maintains consistent output with minimal recoil. Number 2. Gamo Swarm Whisper Multi-Shot Air Rifle, a break-barrel air system built for smooth multi-shot capability. It uses a rotary magazine for faster cycling without gunpowder. The Whisper barrel technology reduces sound during target practice. Its spring piston system delivers repeatable air compression. Engineered airflow helps improve the stability of each pellet. Number 3. Umarex Hammer Carbine .50 cal PCP system, a high-pressure air tank platform known for strong output without combustion. The valve system is built to handle extremely high PSI safely. Used for controlled adult training and research environments. Its lighter carbine frame adds maneuverability. The internal regulator stabilizes power between shots. Number 4. Crosman M4-177 variable pump platform, a pump-powered system allowing full manual control over internal pressure. Each pump increases the stored air, giving adjustable power levels. The tactical layout helps users practice stable sight alignment. Dual ammo capability adds versatility for training sessions. Its multi-pump system demonstrates airflow compression basics. Number 5. Umarex AirJavelin CO2 Arrow Launching System, a CO2 power device that launches arrows using pressure instead of tension. Used in controlled adult environments for alternative archery training. Lightweight carbon arrows maintain balanced, stable flight. Its CO2 system ensures consistent propulsion for each shot. The design blends archery concepts with modern pressure technology. Number 6. A CO2-driven model that demonstrates realistic mechanical cycling. The blowback system simulates authentic slide movement during training. Constructed for controlled adult safe handling practice. Its full steel build provides realistic weight and durability. The internal gas system is designed for clean pressure delivery. Number 7. Daisy Air Technology Platform, a foundational platform widely used to teach pressure-based propulsion. Its lightweight structure supports basic target training. The spring air compression system represents simple mechanical engineering. Long-term use has proven its reliability as a non-gunpowder system, ideal for teaching the fundamentals of sight alignment. Number 8. A semi-automatic PCP design that cycles using controlled air pressure. The 30-round belt magazine enables smooth and fast operation. Used in advanced adult training settings. Regulated airflow keeps pellet velocity consistent. The engineering focuses on stability during rapid cycling. Number 9. A compact CO2 system built with realistic blowback motion. The gas-powered cycling gives users a simulated recoil experience. Used for controlled movement and handling practice. The PDW-style stock supports close-range precision work. Durable metal internals help maintain long-term performance. Number 10. Umarex Hammer .50 cal PCP Engineering Giant, a high-output PCP system with one of the strongest air reservoirs in its class. Uses large bursts of regulated air for significant kinetic generation. Designed exclusively for adult, controlled environments. The bolt action regulates airflow for precise output. Its engineering showcases the limits of non-combustion propulsion. Number 11. Umarex T4E Walther PPQ .43 Training Marker, a marking round platform widely used for scenario-based training. Engineered for realistic control, posture, and movement practice. Designed for safety-focused professional exercises. Its polymer frame keeps weight balanced during long sessions. The CO₂ cycling system ensures consistent operation. Number 12. Hero 2020 Irritant Propulsion Safety Launcher. A compact CO₂-powered device created strictly for non-lethal adult defense demonstrations. Uses PAVA irritant projectiles without any combustible materials. Focused entirely on controlled, safety-driven function. Its ergonomic grip allows stable handling under pressure. The dual cartridge system ensures reliable performance. These 12 advanced systems show how modern engineering can create powerful, controlled propulsion without a single grain of gunpowder. From CO₂ to PCP to manual compression systems, these technologies highlight innovation, safety design, and mechanical precision.